Dutch gable. At non-standard intersections, it will be necessary to cut and form flashings to fit the needs of the detail. Take note that appropriate sealant should be used to help keep water out. Always install flashings so that the material above finishes on top of any lower flashings.
Now on a Dutch gable, your rake roof to wall is going to be exiting down, so make sure you notch this so it sits flat. Now here at the top of a Dutch gable, you want to make sure that you get your flange underneath the rake cover and underneath the rake roof to wall. Engage and pull it up tight.
For additional information, please visit www.allmet.com.